Hi, I'm John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney with a focus on birth injuries. I want to talk to you as I continue this series about Kernicterus. So this is part 3 of a multi-series videos that I'm doing on birth injuries. Most newborns develop some jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes, in their first days of life. In the vast majority of cases, it's mild and resolves with simple treatment. However, when a newborn jaundice becomes extremely high and is not treated in time, it can lead to a devastating brain injury called kernicterus. I'll now go over the medical explanation and causes of kernicterus. Kernicterus is essentially brain damage caused by excess bilirubin, the yellow pigment in the bile that causes jaundice. Newborns often have elevated bilirubin because their newborn livers are still maturing and they break down fetal red blood cells rapidly after birth. In most cases, bilirubin levels peak and then decline with mild interventions like phototherapy, light therapy. Kernicterus occurs when bilirubin levels get extremely high. This is usually greater than 25 to 30 milligrams per deciliter. And the bilirubin crosses into the blood-brain barrier, damaging areas like the basal ganglia and brainstem nuclei. This condition is also called bilirubin encephalopathy. There are known risk factors that can cause dangerously high jaundice. Blood type incompatibilities such as Rh or ABO incompatibility between mother and baby can lead to a rapid breakdown of the baby's red blood cells, releasing large amounts of bilirubin. Genetic conditions like G6PD deficiency, which is more common in certain ethnic groups, or other hemolytic diseases can trigger very high bilirubin. Premature babies are higher risk because their livers process bilirubin less efficiently. Even extensive bruising or a cephalohematoma from difficult birth can increase bilirubin, as blood from the bruise is reabsorbed. In essence, kernicterus happens when jaundice is not recognized and treated soon enough. This is why hospitals closely monitor bilirubin in the first 48 to 72 hours after birth, and why pediatricians schedule newborn follow-ups within the first few days of discharge. They want to catch any rising jaundice. What's important to understand is that kernicterus is also entirely preventable with proper care. If bilirubin gets high, intensive phototherapy, which is blue light blankets or lamps, will break down the bilirubin in severe cases and exchange transfusion. Replacing the baby's blood with donor's blood can quickly bring levels down before the brain damage occurs. Kernicterus tends to occur when there are lapses in these protocols. For example, if a newborn is discharged early and not brought back for bilirubin check, or if the lab result is misinterpreted or the treatment is delayed, these can cause problems. Some parents of kernicterus children later learn that the medical staff missed the warning signs or didn't initiate phototherapy promptly. Knowing the causes and the chain of events is important both for understanding your child's condition, for any potential accountability. You're always free to reach out to me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122, and I'd be happy to give you a free consultation on this subject.